Hi everyone, and welcome to the following of Ticket.sol smart contract. In the last part we managed to finish the smart contract itself and compile it successfully. So in this part we're going to deploy it and test all the functionalities of this smart contract. So in order to do so, let's head over to deploy and run transactions and deploy the contract. So right now let's open up the instance of the contract, and as the message.sender or the person who is creating this contract, we can create the tickets a number of times with different IDs and the price as well. So most of the time the tickets have the same prices, so but you can just set different prices for different ticket IDs. That's totally up to you. And here you can set the event name. So for example, I can set this concert. You can name it workshop, whatever you want to name it. And then the price could be a number. So for example, 100. So the unit of this number is Vey. So if for example is Govey, then you need to add 9 zeros after 1. So here I choose, for example, 1,000 Veys, and it's a very small number, but this is just for test. So let's click on transact, and one ticket has been created. So for example 10 tickets, you need to click on this 10 times. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can create any number of tickets that you want with any price. So for example, there might be VIP prices for IDs from 11 to 20. So it's totally up to you which kind of price, what amount of price you want to put in for the different IDs. So for example, I can create 3 VIP, for example, tickets with this other price. Now you can change the message.sender to the second address or any other addresses. And here, because we want to pay or purchase the ticket, we should enter a number in the value here. So this becomes the message.value that we have entered inside of our smart contract. But before we want to do that, let's take a look at the tickets here. You can enter the ID, for example, 1, and call it, you can see the ID, the seller address, the event, and the price, and whether it's available or not. So it's true, so you can purchase that ID of the ticket. So let's enter 11 for the ID and call this, and as you can see, the price here is 2,000 instead of 1,000. So the price is also clear here. Now in order to buy this VIP ticket, for example, you should consider the ID of the ticket. So here you should enter the ID 11 and also enter the price. So here I can enter, if I enter 1,000, you will see that it is unsuccessful because it's insufficient funds. You can here see that not a valid amount for buying the ticket. So here, if I enter 2,000 instead of 1,000 and click on purchase ticket, as you can see, it's now successful. And if you check the ID 11 ticket, you will now see that it's not available. Available equals to false. So let's also see the number of tickets. As you can see, it's 13 tickets. Number 11 has been purchased. So it doesn't, this ticket count doesn't care whether the ticket is available or not. It only counts the tickets whether it has been purchased or not purchased. Also here, you can add this functionality. Tickets works the same as get ticket, and as I mentioned earlier in the previous videos, the function get ticket could be you can just remove it. You don't necessarily need it, because here if you click on enter 1 and call the function, the same functionality is also in here, because we've defined the tickets array that represents the data of the different tickets, and the function gets ticket is just another function. Is just a function that works the same as the tickets, and our functionality that works the same, but you can just emit that function inside of your smart contract to make it smaller. So let's try another ticket with another ID. So for example, number 3 here, I can purchase the ticket with another address. Also, if you want each of the address to buy only one ticket, then you can put that kind of requirement, but you don't necessarily need to do that, because some of the times one person wants to buy different tickets for his or her friends. So that's totally up to you to put that requirement or not, but it's recommended that you do not put that kind of requirement. So here I will enter 1000, and notice that here if I enter more, because our requirement says that it should be just equal to the ticket price, then you don't have you shouldn't enter a greater number, otherwise you will see that it's been reverted. As you can see, it's now reverted because the ID 3 is a ticket with the price 1000, and so as a result you should enter the exact amount for purchasing that ticket. So actually I've deployed this. I should have bought the ticket. So now let's click on purchase ticket, and as you can see, it's been successful. So you can also check the ticket number 3 to see whether it's available. As you can see, it's false, not available, and the price was 1000. You can also do the same checkup here. It's changed to false. If I check number 2 or 4 or a number up to 10, then you will see that except for the ticket number 3, every one of them are available. And for the VIP tickets, except for 11, 12 and 13 are available. So if I enter 12 and purchase the ticket for 2000, as you can see, it's been successful. You can also check the number 12 here, call the tickets, and as you can see, it's not available anymore. So that's it for our smart contract. This is a smart contract that you can just deploy for any ticketing system that you want to deploy. And we've also managed to test the contract, write the contract, and deploy it. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and that's it for this video.